Hey, awesomes, how we doing? Apologies for the tardiness of this video, but I'm here on our Moodle page, and this particular video here, I want to talk about the Project 2 screencast. So much like the Project 1 screencast, which I've already provided feedback for you on. I don't want to say it's pretty straightforward, but there's a few more items here that I'd like to have you talk about, which I'm sure you've read. Some of you have already posted. For those of you who haven't just yet, recall from a video last week in talking about your revisions, and I had the two resumes, for example, side by side. You can show those on your video and go through them. So you can describe the job qualification and description language and how you incorporated those in the same words in your resume and your job letter. That is basically you want to hit if they're talking about communication, or they're talking about someone they want highly motivated, or that has maybe a specific skill or maybe experience, let's say, with Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel or Adobe Acrobat Professional, Standard DC, or something like that. You can highlight there. How did those things show up in your resume and your job letter? Hierarchy, this is something here I really want you to think about with fonts and why you chose them. Maybe you talk about serif and sans serif, maybe why those particular ones worked well together, how you think it made it more readable. So then in relation to your fonts, how did it go from top to bottom, so to speak, right? Bold text, italics, and other font features that you used. And the tables that you incorporated and the strategies for addressing the white space and the balance. This is where when I kind of was talking about how you had the borders or the cell lines around them, and then you took them off, and let's say you did a 2x3 or a 3x2 or a 3x4 or whatever size of your table was or is, how you use that to help with balance and white space and separation between your major sections. And after you receive feedback, what revisions did you make and why? Did you respond to something I said or something maybe one of your fellow classmates maybe had given you some feedback on? How did you go about making those revisions? Did you then incorporate the tables to address white space or balance? And then finally, maybe talk a little bit about how a human resources person might be able to scan your resume quickly and maybe efficiently. And what do you feel that you did to make it easier for them? So that's basically the things I kind of want you to talk about in your Screencast 2 for Project 2 for your resume and your cover letter. All right, I'm trying to keep these really, really short for you guys, but provide you with a lot of information. So that's it for this one, Project 2 Screencast Dropbox. And questions are posted right here on our Moodle page, and you can make those submissions right here. All right, hope you guys are staying safe and staying healthy. I'm doing my best as here, so keep going, fight the good fight, and stay awesome. And we'll talk to you again soon. Thanks.